White color.
Huh?
This is Anomali Frigo Camelo.
We serve to heal and protect. Sometimes a little therapy helps us recharge. That's the spirit, duty with a smile. Now, go forth and spread that positivity.
Nice. Blue color.
Huh?
This is Anomali Matteo Matteo.
Stay alert, team! Check your positions and report back in 5 minutes. We move out at dawn!
Nice. Black color.
Huh?
This is Anomali Trippo.
All right, team, ready to catch the big one? You bet! My rod's ready! Ha! Mine's bigger! I'll win this, though! Oh, look at that jump! It's huge! Let's go!
Nice. Pink color.
Huh?
This is Anomali Brr Brr Patapim.
Is your fried chicken really good? Of course! Tung Tung Rot fried chicken is crispy, juicy, and the best in town. Great, I'll take 2 boxes. Excellent choice. You'll come back for more, I promise.
Wow. Yellow color.
Huh?
This is Anomali Udin Dindun Madindun.
Let's get this foundation done. This concrete mix is perfect. Whew, time to build the walls. Hard work builds strong futures.
Wow. Green color.
Huh?
This is Anomali Chimpanzini Bananini.
Hello friends! What a beautiful day for farming! Time to harvest some fresh rice. Look at this healthy crop. Farming is the best life. See you later!
Amazing.